We all know that Capcut has put a lot of their features into Pro feature, which has made it unable for some of us to use the some of the amazing features in Capcut. And he has made video editing so difficult for some of us because Capcut actually is an amazing app that does a lot of things in terms of editing your videos. Even some of their amazing features, even some of their simple features, like when you enter text and you want to change your font style, most of their fonts are now into Pro features. And that is so, even some of the features that you used to enjoy before for free, so many of them are now into Pro feature. And it has made video editing so difficult for some of us. So I went into research. I went into research to make a research on how someone can use most of their Pro features for free. And I've found a way in which you can use their Pro feature, most of them, if not all, most of them, even remove background, remove BG, remove background, all those font styles, caption, most of them are free. You don't need to pay a dime to edit your video. So in this video, I'm going to take you step by step on how you can get those Pro features for free. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Just open your Chrome browser and type in Capcut old version. You tap on it. So you see this Softonic. This website is called Softonic. This is it, Softonic. Just tap on it. So once you tap on Softonic website, you move down. You move down to this version. You move down to these are the different versions of Capcut. So the one I downloaded is 11.60. 11.6.0. This is the one I downloaded. Just tap on this download and download it. But before you download phone, if you want to install this old version, you delete the new Capcut in your phone, then tap on this download and install it in your phone, then start using it. So let's head into our Capcut, because I'm not downloading it again because I've downloaded it before. So let's head into our Capcut to see if you have access to those Pro features there. So this is our Capcut here. Let's just take in a random video. Let's just upload a random video to see. Let's pick a random video to see. Let's assume that this is video we want to upload. Just tap on it and tap on add. So this is the video that I uploaded now. So these are the features. So in the new version, this is the old version. Can you see the old versions? Can you see the features of the old versions here? Can you see captions? Captions. There is no Pro on caption here. See, add captions, auto caption, all of them are for free. You can use them for free. Let's go back again. So adjust if you want to brighten your video. See the color match that is Pro here. See brightness, contrast, all these things. See, most of them are for free. Most of them are for free, which unlike the latest version. Let's check again. So can you see enhanced voice here? See all the features here. Most of the features are free. See, enhanced voice here, free. Isolated voice, free. Free, almost everything. See, remove BG that they've made pro for a long time is still free here. So many things are free here. So many things. And the most amazing part of it is that it doesn't have that. In the new version, you will see Capcut logo here while editing your video, and for you to remove it, you have to edit, and carry your video and to go another app to crop it out. But this one, she's not even showing at all. Just take a look at up here. There is no Capcut logo here. There is no Capcut watermark here. The only thing for you to do is when you reach here, the only where that you can see Capcut logo is at the end, at the end, which you just tap on it and delete it. That's all. There's no Capcut logo again. So this is amazing. If you want to download the video 720p, 720p, 2K, 4K, even to the highest, you can download it for free. There's no pro here in the resolution. You can just download your video to the highest resolution that you want. So is this not amazing? Just try it and you see. Please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.